Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you some tricks on carving. And yes, this is a crafts video. I know, it's been over a year now. I'm so sorry. But anyways, let's get straight into it, and I hope this helps. So the first tip is the curvature of the wood. And my technique is, I think most people might use this technique as well. But, so what you do, right, excuse me, is you take the knife and you carve the edge, like the wedge part right here. You carve that once, and then you carve the new edges that forms, and then you keep carving until, yeah, and then you work your way up, making this part more narrow, but the more you get on top, the more broad and more spread out you make the curvature. So that's my strategy for it. And what I also like to do is that you smoothen out the wedges as well, so that it's not just like a straight up rectangular box with kind of very sharp looking slants, but more of a smooth toy brick, like wooden block type texture to it, you know. And the faces, what I did for the faces right here is, what really helps is actually feathering. So just gently scrape the knife across, and then make it flat. And then when that happens, then that's when you press downward into almost like you're lining the surface of a bowl, like the inside of a bowl. That's when you press down, still gently, and in the motion of a bowl, downward, slowly and slowly. And you want to make sure that there's feathers, that it makes little feathers. And then, when you're finished at the right depth, that's when you carve a little bit harder, enough to take off the feathers. And then, what I like to do, so I carved it from right here and carved like that, and then when I took off the feathers, I liked to smoothen where the feathers were, which were right here, so I smoothed them down like that. So yeah, those are kind of free tips that I have that I can see from them. I actually have them in my hands. So yeah, maybe guess which one I'm holding. But yeah, I really love carving, so I hope you guys enjoyed my tips and techniques. Again, I might not have explained them in that much detail, but I still hope I helped. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it helped. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye guys, have a great day, Gulper Gang. Bye.